thinking that's a hole. And they're all right there. Oh!
Jesus Christ.
I got mine. Oh, he's bit mine.
Yeah, you just had, that was a little one.
You didn't have a little one.
You had a baby.
I know, you had a big one.
I know. Oh, poor rat shit. Oh, fuck, it's that one, baby.
There's like 3 of them there that are like at least 4 pounds.
Hanging off the fucking hook.
You know what would work?
Mm-hmm.
You know the ones I gave you earlier?
Those worms?
Oh, yeah.
That they would too.
Yeah.
Yeah.